You built your website with Airo AI Builder, but right now it's living on a long temporary web address. Nobody's typing that into a browser, and nobody's putting it on their business cards. In this video, I'll get a real custom domain and connect it right inside Airo AI Builder. At the end, your site has an address customers can remember, share, and trust. After you've got your site ready to go and launch, you might see several placements for where you can connect a custom domain name. The first one is in the prompt area itself. It says, connect a custom domain to replace the temporary production URL. I've selected it. You can see on the left-hand side that we have a prompt for where to buy a domain. This is recognizing that this project is named after this, so it's going to suggest that domain name. We'll select buy, and you can see several options that are available here. So if I wanted to select CourtneyR.net for a penny, amazing. I can continue on to complete my purchase here. Now, if we didn't see a prompt in Airo AI Builder itself for connecting a custom domain name, you could simply type in a prompt there and hit go, and it will ask you the same information as what I previously shared. The other place that you could see the same information again is under the Publish button, and you could see connect a custom domain as a prompt there as well, pulling up this domains tab, and again, fill in your information to purchase a new domain. If you select buy a new domain, that will take you over to GoDaddy's site, and you could type in the information that you want, search for your domain name, and it will present options for you if you would like to make purchases from this area. Simply add it to your cart. It will offer additional options. I'm going to decline for now and go on to the checkout page. Once here, you can select any additional options that you would like, continue to cart, adjust the length of time, and continue on to checkout. And that's the whole process. Your new domain name lives in your GoDaddy account, and you can get there by logging into your account, going to domains, and managing from here. When you purchase your domain through Airo AI Builder, it will take care of the DNS settings automatically, so there's nothing technical to configure. If your site is still on that temporary address, the link to get started with Airo AI Builder is in the description, and when your domain goes live, come show it off in the Airo Builder Lab Discord. That invite is in the description too. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.